Welcome to 2985 Eliza Drive, here in beautiful Hartley Hills. Got what could be a coat closet with double doors. This home has a lot of great storage. Immediately to the right is a front room. Could be used as a dining, office, sitting area, your choice. To the left, your primary bedroom is quite large, as you can see. You have double sinks. Another could be linen storage. Lots of storage here. Great big walk-in closet with a window. Here you have a shower, your tub, commode with its private door. Right over here, you have a great big open floor plan. Gotta love that fireplace. You have another little nook over here. It could be used as another dining area, maybe desk, office space. Look at that. Love that island. Great for hosting. Nice, great gatherings. Little walkway to the front room. More storage. An amazingly large pantry. Full bathroom down here. This is the second bedroom downstairs. Also with a double door closet there. Through there you have 2-car garage, more storage. This here is actually the laundry room, washer dryer, hookups. Could envision a nice muck room here, would be fun. Let's check out the upstairs. Upstairs features 2 more bedrooms, plus a large bonus room with a walk-in closet over the entire garage. So bedroom, also with a walk-in closet, more storage. Gotta love the storage in this house. Great big bonus room. As you can see, there's ceilings, fans in all the rooms, which is nice. Big walk-in closet. This is and another walk-in closet. Access to the attic. Come check us out.